When it comes to militaries, this military conflict, though short-lived, but it had a spread of over 3,000 kilometers. There were missiles being fired all along the international border. There were artillery firing along the line of control in Kashmir on both sides. There were fire exchanges on line of actual contact in our region called Gilgit-Baltistan up in the north. In conflicts like this, when the ceasefire is agreed at political level, it is very difficult to enforce on ground in each sector, to each weapon emplacement, each bunker. And let me inform your listeners that both sides have been, on both sides, the militaries have been able to enforce ceasefire in a matter of 24 to 36 hours. There have been ceasefires in the last 78 years, number of times. I won't go into the details. But none of those ceasefires could translate into an enduring peace between two very large countries with nuclear weapons. There is, as internationally recognized by the United Nations and by the international community, endorsed in 1948, the core issue of Kashmir.